Okay, children, good morning. We are going to start the lesson. We are going to start the lesson now. Now I will unmute all, and whenever we will ask is going to say the answers, we will unmute yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Good morning, children, and happy to see you all again one more time. Now we were discussing what is an ankle. Okay, we were discussing what is an ankle. What is an angle? An angle is the figure formed by two rays joining or sharing the common initial point is called. Very good. And we have seen many examples, the corner of our room, corner of the board, corner of the book. Okay, many things we have discussed about the examples for ankles. And what is the initial common initial point called? That is called the vertex. And we discuss about the arms of the angles. What are the arms of the angles? The two rays. That is the two rays sharing the common vertex. That is called ankle. Yes? Okay. Then what we all discuss about the naming of angles. We used to take capital letters to name the angles. And we know the symbol for representing angles. Okay, very good. Now, we also learn what is the instrument used to measure angles. What is the instrument used to measure the angles? That is protractor. Very good, very good. You remember everything. So, again, we have discussed many how to observe the things on the protractor. That is, we have learned about the vertex that we will see in the protractor. There is a center that is called center. And what are all things in the protractor? There is a baseline. Very good, baseline. And there is the markings from 0 to 180 degree. And we know in the clockwise direction, one set of numbers starting from 0 to 180 degree. And in anti-clockwise direction, there is also 0 to 180 degree. Very good. Now, we have to study more types of angles. We have to measure the angles, and if it is 90 degree, we will say that is right angle, and many other angles like acute angles,
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. To understand what is an acute, that will be the degree
35.
angle will be less than 90 degree, and obtuse angle, that angle will be more than 90 but less than 180 degree. So first, to understand what is an acute angle, what is an obtuse angle, first we want to know how to measure angles. How to measure angles? We will use
I'm using the
we will use protractor, and the unit used to measure angles, that is called degree. Degree. And the instrument used to measure the instrument used to measure the angles, that is called protractor. I told you to bring the protractor with you today. That is, we are going to use, we want to know how to use the protractor. How to use the protractor, I will first explain, and I will show some small video. Okay, children? If whenever I'm showing the video, you have to look carefully and understand how to place the protractor. Here we have one center, and that center, all of you look at the protractor, and all of you take the protractor in your hand. Yes. Okay. In that protractor, there is a center and there is a baseline. All of you have to examine and observe your protractor. Today we are going to use this protractor and going to draw an or measure an angles. Okay. Okay. So when there is a base line. In the middle of the baseline, there is a center. And what we are going to do, we are going to draw one angle and we are going to see how we can measure. So first I will explain and then I will show you one small video that you have to examine carefully. Maybe we will not see the or hear the sound, no problem. You have to examine how the protractor is placed and how we can measure the angle. So look at the protractor, all of you in your hand. Protractor. Okay. Vertex, the center of the protractor we will place on the vertex. Okay. And the baseline we will place it on the arm of the angle. Okay. Now I will show you one small video. All of you will examine how to place the protractor carefully and how to measure. Okay. Select this.
Sound is not coming.
And children, look at the video. Okay, I will explain. Okay, all the children, you will watch the video carefully and I will explain everything. No, if the audio is not clear, no problem. I will explain. So you know that is a vertex. Okay, and we have one arm and here another arm. There are two arms for this ankle. Okay, so what I told you, we will put the center. Look at the center and the vertex. You will place it on the center of the protractor. You have to place it on the vertex. Watch the video carefully. I will explain everything. If the audio is not clear, no problem. I will explain everything. Okay, children, the baseline and the final ray, the turn, the how much ankle that we have to measure the ankle inside, and we will start from 0. We will look at the protractor carefully and we will see where is the 0 starting. Start from the 0 and where we will keep our center of the protractor on the vertex. Protractor, the center of protractor. This center, okay, all of you look here. This center, we will keep it on the vertex. Okay, this center, we will keep it on the vertex, and this baseline, that is the arm of the angle. Now, children, now is the protractor on. You can see the protractor. Gautam, unmute yourself and tell me, can you see the protractor carefully? Yes?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Can you, Anthony, Gautam, you can mute. Anthony, can you unmute and say?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the protractor
Yes, ma'am.
clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
There is, okay. And there is one sender. Can you see this sender properly?
Yes,
Sender.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
sender. Okay, this sender we will keep it on the vertex. That is very important, children. When we are going to measure with using and protractor, you have to look at the picture or vertex carefully. Look at the protractor and where is the sender? You have to, that sender, you have to place it on the vertex of the ankle. Okay, now examine this video carefully. Okay, children, now see all of you, and who is there? Nandita is here. Okay, children, if I didn't call you, don't feel bad. We can see all the children and we are making the mark, attendance, everything. Tanya, can you see the board, Tanya? Yes? Yes. Now, look at this. Can you see, all of you can see the vertex and the base? This is the vertex of the ankle, and we will keep our protractor such a way that with the base, the center will be placed on the vertex. Okay, and the baseline we will place it on the arm of the angle. Okay, all the children, you are not going to draw anything now. You are not going to draw anything now. Just check where is the center and where is the vertex. How we are keeping our protractor. We are keeping the protractor such a way that the vertex and the center, they are placed on each other. And this arm of the ankle, it will be placed on the baseline. Okay, now examine carefully. Okay, children. Hello, Richard. Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now all of you see that we are going to start from 0 over here. Can you see this is the mark? 0,
Yes, ma'am.
10. So 0 is on the inside. So that is inner scale. 0, 10, 20. Now look at the mark. Where is it? It's pointing. That is 70. The final ray, starting from the base, starting from the initial ray, it is ending. Where it is ending? The initial ray, it is pointing to the number 70. So how much angle is passed? That is 70 degree. We will start reading the marks from 0 to 70. And what is the angle? 70.
70.
Yes?
70 degree angle.
70 degree. Very good. Okay. Now we are going to examine carefully.
Ma'am, that is 90 degree.
Ma'am, in sound cross mark is there.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, children.
Ma'am, it is 90-degree angle.
90-degree angle. Right angle.
Okay, now this is 90-degree. See, look at the final ray and the starting ray. The starting ray start from 0 and ending at 90-degree.
90.
Yes, Isha. Can you
Yes,
see this angle? Can you see this angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the how much degree that is from the protractor?
Is it
That is
15?
this is
No.
40 and 50 and this in the middle of 40 and 50. Middle of 40 and 50.
Ma'am, 45.
Very good. It is 45 degree. And from where we have started the marking 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. After 45 more degrees. Yes, that is 45 degree. Always start where we cannot read from 180. Look at the outer scale. Look at the outer scale. That is 180, 170. No, we are not going to read from the inner scale. Inner scale starting from 0, 0, 10, 20. Then the final ray, it is ending at 45 degree.
Ma'am, 20 degree.
120.
Ma'am, 120 degree.
120 degree.
Okay, now children, this is, look at this straight line, and what is the ankle measure here?
180.
Dia, can you unmute yourself and tell me what is the angle for a straight line? Dia, please unmute yourself. Okay, Dia, can you hear me?
0 degree.
How much?
0 degree.
Dia, look at the board and we can see a straight line. What is the angle measure? What is the angle measure?
180.
180 degree. Very good. Okay, very good.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, who is that?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, the circle is 360 degree.
Yes, circle is 360 degree.
Okay. So if two protectors join, it will become a 360 degree.
Okay, Ayman, I will explain. Okay.
Ma'am have been muted. Renew ma'am have been muted.
Yes. Can you hear me now, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. Now, all of you mute. I will call you. I will just rewind what we have learned. Okay, all of you mute your microphone and listen to me. So, we have learned that an angle is formed by joining two rays with the same initial point. So, we know how to measure. To measure an angle, we use protractor. Protractor, how we will place the protractor? We know there is a center and a baseline. So when we will draw an angle, we will place our protractor. The center will be placed on the vertex.
The center will be placed on the vertex and
the
the
baseline
will be on the arm.
Share screen. Okay, children, we are going to draw one ankle and I will explain how we will measure an ankle. Okay, all of you will draw one ankle in your notebook. Okay, all the children will now draw an ankle in your notebook. So, we are going to draw one ankle AOB. Okay, what we have learned today, how to measure an ankle using protractor. So using protractor, we are going to measure. And what did I say? We will keep this center on the vertex O. We will keep the center and the vertex will be placed on top of the center. And this baseline will be on the base ray. And we will check from here 0 degree like this. We will go to
protractor is
here.
in my
This will
father's
be
home.
90 degree. Who is calling? Hello? Hello?
I don't have a tractor. It's in my father's home.
Okay, no problem. Just you can now see how to use protractor. That is, we are explaining now. Whenever we are getting, okay, we are going to do more practices with the protractors. Children, we have to do more angles. Now, next classes and all, we are going to we are going to do more angles, more different types of angles like acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. We have to study. So before that, to study different types of angles, first we should know how to measure using protractor. Okay. For that, what we are doing now, we are examine carefully the protractor. There is two set of numbers starting from 0 to 180 degree. One in the clockwise direction and another one will be in the anti-clockwise direction. And how to place this center? The center will be on the vertex. We have to place the protractor in such a way that the center will be placed on the vertex. Yes. And this baseline, it should be on the arm of the ankle, arm of the ankle. So we will now start reading the marks. Where we are keeping, is it in the clockwise direction? Is 0 starting? Anti-clockwise, you have to place it on the 0 degree. 0 degree, we will start from 0, 10, 20, 30. Okay. Now, Agnay. Yes, Agnay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say what is an angle?
The figure formed by two rays sharing the common initial point.
Very good, very good. Okay, this is figure formed by joining two rays that sharing the common initial point. Okay, Madhav, can you hear me, Madhav? 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 Richard, can you hear me? Richard? Hello? Richard?
I can hear you.
Yes. Richard? What is the common sharing initial point? What is that called?
Vertex.
Vertex. Very good. Now, then what we have learned, we have to name the angles. Okay. Okay. Tanya, for naming, Tanya, can you hear me? Yes. Yes, Amna? Can you hear me, Amna? Yes. Unmute yourself and tell me how we will name the angles. We are using which letters? Capital letters. Yes, we are using capital letters, and we will keep the vertex in the middle letter. Like if it O is the vertex, then we will write AOB. Now, what is the instrument, Manu? What is the instrument used to measure ankle?
Protractor.
Protractor. Yes, the protractor is used to measure the ankle. Okay, Brightlin, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
hear me? Yes. Now, tell me how we will place the protractor to measure the angles. To measure the angles, how we will keep the protractor? Yes, Brightlin? We will keep
We'll keep the retractor from the
Yes.
0.
Yes. And vertex and center, how we will place it? Vertex will be, we will keep the center
Vertex.
of the protractor on the,
Center.
the center will be on the
The
vertex.
vertex
Yes.
will keep in the center of the
Center.
vertex.
Okay. Now,
Center of the retractor.
very good. Now we are going to draw the angles. Will you be able to measure the angles? Will you be able to measure the angles?
Yes.
Yes. Now, Srihari, can you hear? Yes, Srihari, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Srihari, what is the unit used to measure ankle? What is the unit used to measure angles? Yes? Anthony, one more time. What is the unit used to measure ankle? Unit used to measure ankle?
Degree, ma'am.
Degree, yes, very good, degree. So, we have learned what is an ankle. So, what is a vertex and how to measure ankles using protractor. And what is the unit of measuring the angle? The unit is
Degree.
Degree. Okay. Now, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp, and I want all of you have to draw an angle of 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay. All the children, this is a homework for you. Okay.
I'm drawing protractor or by simply arrowing.
You will draw and measure. First, you have to draw an initial ray. Okay. Initial ray. Yes, then you will make mark.
Ma'am, I don't have retractor.
Okay, those who don't have
Ma'am, I didn't get your class because there was some network problems.
Okay, we usually have no recorded sessions. Okay, you can watch that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now this is the time for end the video session. So what we are learning, we are revising what is an ankle and how to measure an angle using protractor and how to name an angle. We will use capital letters to name the angles and how to draw an angle. You will use an protractor, and I will send the notes in the WhatsApp, and we will keep everything updated, and the homeworks I will let it you know through the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who is asking?
Ma'am, in the recorded version of the class, I saw some other class.
On.
Some other students.
You watch only. No problem. Maybe.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can write in the paper. We are filing the notes, right?
Now you just keep everything ready in a notebook. Then afterwards we can file it. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I wrote
children?
in the paper. Ma'am,
No problem. No problem. Okay, children.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, today we will get the books and uniform. So when we will get the paper, we should write these notes on that
Yeah,
paper.
that all things I will let you know later. Okay, children. Now it's the time for.
I got the papers.
Yes, very good. So now it's the time for end the session. Okay, children. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.